We are downtown Laurens. This is their postcard. Greetings from Laurens, South Carolina. But look in the inn. There's a guitar and one part in and a Coca-Cola bottle. What does that have to do with this video? Stay tuned and you'll find out. Hey y'all, I'm Carolina Tony. Today I am in Laurens, South Carolina. A video that I put out a couple weeks ago in Lone Star, South Carolina. I went in a store and I saw a drink bottle with Tom's Cola on it, or Tom's Soda. One of my subscribers told me where Tom's Sodas was bottled. So today we are in Laurens and I have found where Tom's Soda is born. It was bottled right here. This was Laurens Glass Works. Was founded in 1910 here in Laurens by local businessmen. One of them's name was Nathaniel Dial, following the discovery of nearby silica deposits. According to what I have found, after a shaky start, the plant became the major successful manufacturer of soda bottles, notably for Coca-Cola. Later on, food containers were included. They say that back in the beginning, when this place was operating, that you could see smoke billowing out of that smokestack 24 hours a day. From the looks of the buildings around me, these buildings look a little newer, but right there, I'm gonna wager to guess that that's probably the original bottling plant right there. The ceiling is, the roof is collapsed down around the walls of the building. This place was in business for nearly 100 years, employed a lot of people making drink bottles for all over the place, and including Tom's Sodas as one of them. And I simply saw that bottle. So anyway, this place closed down finally, shut its doors forever and ever, amen, in 1996. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Very short, but I just happened to see it. It came up on the radar and I rode by it and said, hey, why not stop and film? Hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give us a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share with your family and friends. But until next time, y'all have a good day.